welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. It's travel day. We're going to Florida, so it's going to be lots of good vlogs coming up, so keep an eye out for that. We've got lots of exciting stuff. We've got a night in Animal Kingdom Lodge with a savannah view and club level access, I'll have you know, for our anniversary, so that's really exciting. We've never stayed there before. We've got a night in Pop Century. We've got, well, 2 nights in Pop Century actually, so we can vlog those and show you the rooms. Yeah, that's that. So we're on the way. We're heading to Gatwick. We're flying tomorrow. Yeah,
TUI.
we're flying with TUI instead of Virgin, so that's a different experience for us. So I can let you know how that compares to Virgin. So see you in a bit. Hello, Nigel.
Hello.
There's Brookie. Hello, Brooke. Say hiya. Good girl. And there's Callie. Say hello, Callie. Hello, Callie. Oh, very funny.
Heading to England. England. Bye, Wales.
First sight of some planes. I think it's probably from Heathrow, that one though, but it shows that we're near the airports in London. So we're about 45 minutes away from Gatwick. So we're getting all excited now. Woohoo! There's another one. See that one? Lovely.
Upside down.
Woohoo! We're going to be on one of them very soon. Tomorrow morning. Southampton and Gatwick. Won't be long now. This is going to be the same way. We're coming in a few months as well, because we're going on a cruise soon and we depart from Southampton, so we're getting used to the journey for that as well. So as soon as we come back off this holiday, we'll be straight away on a countdown for another one. We're lucky. We're going to the Canaries, so after you've watched these vlogs, if you like cruise vlogs, then subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified when those vlogs come up as well. So won't be long now and we'll be arriving at the Priemier Inn. We're staying there tonight. We're going to do the twilight check-in hopefully at TUI, the TUI desk, so get rid of all the big cases. It'll be much easier, and then we're going to go for some lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it, and do a little tour of the room at the Priemier Inn. We've stayed there twice before and it's been immaculate. We've always had a comfy sleep and we've had runway views, and yeah, it all adds to the holiday experience. Ferrari! My husband's favourite car. We've just seen one. Silver one up in front. We're nearly there.
Keep left to continue towards North Terminal approach.
Literally on the doorstep, just left at this next roundabout. Literally just there, we've just passed the Block Hotel, where I've seen quite a few YouTubers are staying there. They said it's lovely. So anyway, we're going to the Priemier Inn. This is right opposite the terminal. I think that is the building, literally just there, having some work done on it. Over there.
Right, this one, is it?
Over
Oh shit, yeah. That's alright, we can go this way.
There we go, you go around and round the corner.
Continue straight onto Furlong Way, then turn right onto Departures Road. Use the right lane to turn slightly right onto North Way, then turn right. Turn right. In 200 yards, turn right onto North Way.
So there is the hotel on the right, just past these traffic lights, and then on the left, just up that travelator, you can just about see it, escalator, then that goes into the terminal. So here we are, we're going to park in here, get the suitcases out. So here we are at the Priemier Inn in Gatwick, the North Terminal, and we're staying in room 620. And here is the room. You've got a bit of space at the front to put your cases. Mirror there. Hiya. So come in, got your bathroom, all nice and clean and tidy. You've got some amenities in here. Some extra pillows. Nice bed. I always find their beds at the Priemier Inn nice and comfy. Big thick mattress. I've always had a good night's sleep in a Priemier Inn. Then we've got the 2 extra beds we requested for the room. Doesn't look like, I don't think we've got a runway view this time, which is a shame. Oh, never mind. Can't win them all. So there we are. There's the room. This will do us just for the night. It's all exciting. Not long now. We've just seen on the website that maybe if you're flying into Sanford, you can't get the twilight check-in due to changes in US security or something. So I think we're going to go over to the terminal anyway, because we've got to sort something else out for our daughter, picking up a disabilities lanyard. So we'll check it out when we're over there, and they'll be able to let us know. But if not, we'll just have to do it in the morning. That's the way it is. So